Hey there, quick review on this Kastforce Dolly. I purchased this for moving panels, interior doors, things like that. I'm really happy with the purchase. You've got a couple rubber wheels on the outside here, not your inflatable rubber wheels. They're solid, so you're not gonna have to worry about them deflating. Setting up the product is really easy. You're just gonna basically put the wheels on. You've got a washer and then a cotter pin that you bend over, and it's as easy as that for putting the whole product together. The nice thing about this one is it is adjustable. So if you're moving pre-hung doors that are wider, you've got plenty of space. And then if you're just moving door slabs, you can move it together. As you can see, you've got a couple knobs on the outside here. You're just gonna loosen those up and the whole thing slides together, and both sides do slide together. So works really well. It's decently beefy in terms of weight capacity. I like it. I think it's a good value overall for the price. Here's a closer look at just kind of the overall build quality. You've got your rubber wheels here, nice decent sized steel tubing, and then here are your adjustment knobs. Just loosen those and the whole thing will slide in and out really easily. So nice product, good price point. It's gonna work really well for me. Works great for moving those heavy interior doors that'll rip your elbow apart if you don't use a cart like this. So good buy overall.